Hello little friends. Hand waving. Welcome back to Kids Library. Today we have a super funny and exciting adventure. Are you ready? Let's jump into our story. Coco was not like other crocodiles. He was green, he was cute, and he was super silly. He loved making funny faces and telling jokes to the jungle animals. One sunny morning, Coco heard a strange noise, ting ting ting. Ting ting ting. He blinked his big eyes. That's not a jungle sound. I must find out what it is, he said proudly, and then tripped over a rock. Plonk. Monkey Momo swung down. Coco, where are you going? I'm on a mission to find the ting ting sound. Momo clapped. Adventure time. Soon, Birdie the parrot and Tutu the turtle joined too. They reached a tiny wobbly bridge. Careful, said Tutu the turtle. But Coco proudly said, don't worry, I'm brave. Then, boink, he bounced on the bridge and everyone shook like jelly. The sound got louder. Ting ting ting, ting ting ting. They pushed the bushes aside and gasped. It was a beautiful glowing stone playing music. Coco gently touched the stone. The glow grew brighter, and suddenly the jungle was filled with beautiful music. All the animals started dancing. Coco, you found the magic stone. Momo cheered. Coco smiled proudly. Well, after falling, tripping, slipping, and wobbling. Yes. From that day, Coco was known as the silly crocodile with the biggest heart. He may be silly, he may fall a lot, but he always brings smiles to everyone. Moral of the story: being silly is okay. What matters is kindness and a happy heart. Thanks for watching, friends. Crocodile Sparkles. Did you enjoy Coco's silly adventure? Tell us your favorite part in the comments. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, share red heart and subscribe bell for more fun stories on Kids Library. See you in the next story. Bye bye. Hand waving smile.